Let's make my favorite dish. It literally takes 15 minutes, and I call it a veggie soba noodle dish. First, you boil the soba noodles, and here are my ingredients. I did forget to add the minced garlic in the video, but first, soy sauce, liquid aminos, and then garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and lots of sesame oil and honey. Then you drain the noodles, blanch, and you could basically serve. I plate the noodles. I added diced carrots and cucumbers, dried seaweed, pickled jalapenos, and boiled eggs.
Good, right?